You are viewing our Lovebirds fashion umbrella. This umbrella is completely hand painted and handcrafted. And there you can see the beautiful hand painted design of the tree with flowers and birds. And it is actually very detailed. Every umbrella is painted by hand and it is unique in its own way. And that is kind of a darker green shade right there. This umbrella is not water resistant, but you can take it outside for protection from the sun, use inside for decoration or for cosplay. Underneath you can see the beautiful wood lattice design with the stitching. And this umbrella has a bamboo pole. Easy to open, easy to close. View this umbrella on our website at Oriental-Decor.com. Thank you for watching.